welcome to Shimmy That Soul. I'm so glad you found your way to my channel. Today, let's take a gentle step together on this journey of exploring ourselves through meditation. And for that, let's learn how to sit with ourselves. Just you, this moment, and a little bit of calm. So find a comfortable spot, take a deep breath, and let's begin. I welcome you all to this wonderful moment, this little pocket of time that's just for you. Find a spot where you can be, maybe a chair, a floor cushion, or just the floor or your yoga mat. No need for anything fancy, just you right here. You can put your phone aside. You can close your eyes if that feels good, or you may keep them open, softly resting on the world around you. Take a deep breath in, slow and easy, noticing how it fills you up. And let it out, like you're setting down something heavy. Let's go for another. Inhale and exhale, letting everything else wait. Now just sit. That's it. You don't have to do anything, be anything, or go anywhere. And yes, maybe right now your mind is already whispering, "This is weird, I've got stuff to do. I would rather do something else." Maybe you feel that itch to grab your phone, to move, to leave. That's okay. That's super normal. Just notice that feeling, like it's a breeze passing through. Just visualize that itch. Observe yourself while you're having that itch to leave this meditation or this moment. Detach yourself from this urge and say to yourself, just one more moment. Just one more moment. Just this one. Just this next one. Very good. I'm glad that you didn't leave. You're doing great. Just one more moment. Now just look around, like really see what you can see around you. Notice the little things, or feel the little things around you. The texture of the wall, the way light falls, maybe a sound in the distance. anything at all that you want to notice. There's no rush. Just let your eyes wander, like you're seeing this space for the first time. And if you have chosen to keep your eyes closed, that's also okay. You can wander within yourself. What's one thing you had never noticed before? Maybe a crack in the wall, a shadow, a sound which was always there. Let it be there. Enjoy that part of this moment. Now bring that curiosity to yourself. Feel where your body touches the ground or the chair. Is it firm, soft, warm? Notice your hands. Maybe they are resting on your lap or just curled gently. Look at your fingers, look at your nails, the way they curve, the lines on them. Anything at all you want to notice. No judgment, just noticing. Run your fingers over your skin, maybe your arm, your wrist. Feel its warmth, its texture. This is you, right here, alive in this moment. Your breath is still there, moving like waves, one another. You don't have to change it or chase it, just notice it, how it flows in, cool through your nose and out, warm and soft. Let's stay with it for a while. One breath after another. And if your mind starts to wander, and it will, because that's what minds do, just smile at it and say, hey, I see you thought, and let it drift by. Come back to your breath, to this moment, and just be with your breath. Very good. Keep breathing. Maybe you're feeling restless again, and that's okay. That's part of being human. Just one more moment, yeah? Notice what's alive in you right now. Maybe it's a tingle in your toes, a flutter in your chest, or just the quiet rhythm of your pulse. Such beautiful, small signs of you living right now. Not passing by, but here, feeling it all. Let's try something. Pick one thing about this moment, maybe the sound of your breath, the weight of your body, or the air on your skin. Hold it in your awareness, like you're holding a small stone in your hand. Feel its realness. This is life, happening right now. And you're not just watching it, you are in it. You're meeting it. You're meeting you. Feel that sense of aliveness within you. If thoughts come, random, loud, or quiet, just let them. They're just visitors, passing through your mind's open door. You don't have to chase them or push them away. Just let them be while you stay here with yourself. Notice how it feels to just sit, to be you, without needing to fix or change anything. This is just enough. You're enough. Just feel the calmness, the slowness of this moment. And as we near the end, take a moment to thank yourself for showing up, for staying even when it felt hard. Take a deep breath in, filling your whole body with this moment. And exhale, letting it ripple out. Feel your fingers, your toes, the space around you. Whenever you're ready, shift a little, maybe stretch, wiggle your fingers. You can open your eyes if they're closed, or just sharpen your gaze. Just sat with yourself, and that is huge. Carry this feeling with you, a little spark of knowing you can come back to you anytime, anywhere. Thank you for being here, for choosing this. Until next time. just keep being with you.